Welcome back, everybody, to the DCP channel. I am DCP. Back here today with a different kind of video, starting a new series here on the channel, Top 5. So today we're going to talk about my top 5 art YouTubers. Basically anybody that I've watched over the years, and some of these I've been watching for years. A lot of these are very inspirational in the fact of how they create art, what they make, and how they try to help other people. To get right into the top 5, these are in no particular order, but starting off here, we have Vex. He is a YouTuber that creates with Copic markers and traditional style, as you can see here. He does what's called doodling. So in his sense of doodling, basically creating characters, it's a very busy type of artwork. But if we scroll down here, you'll see that he's ventured out into much more than just doodling. He's got a lot of inspirational videos. He made the world's biggest Pokemon card for Logan Paul. That's a very interesting video. He's done a lot of different things with Copic markers. That's how he started. But he's a very inspirational art YouTuber. I've been following him for years. I love how he integrates realistic art with doodling. So it's a great variety of what he offers. Next off here, we're gonna have Jazza. Originally known as Draw with Jazza, one of the most popular drawing YouTubers slash art YouTubers. As you can see here, fun with art and creativity. I've literally been following him for years. He's done videos on different types of art. He's done art challenges, he's done reviews, he's done VR art, which is pretty incredible. He does those little mini figurines and he paints them. He does character design, he does animation, he does it all. He's got videos on motivation and inspiration and advice. So this is a very cool playlist he's got here. This is something I've watched a lot of. I've watched most of these videos on a different channel of mine, so it doesn't show it, but I've taken a lot out of Jazza and the things he's done over the years. As you can see here, he does product reviews. He's come out with his own art box. He's got multiple channels. He's from Australia. He's an overall funny guy. He always adds comedy into his videos, and it's very inspiring. Next off, Stephen Ward. He's a little less known of a YouTuber. He works with Copic markers and more of a traditional style with the methods that he uses. He also tried the doodling, but he's very good at using a combination of Copic markers as well as colored pencils and things of that nature to create an amazing realistic effect. As you can see here, he creates this skull with Copic markers, and you can see through the blending, it gives it a very realistic effect, especially with the flames. I mean, it's pretty incredible how he gets the picture to look real. So that's just one example of the many, but that's Stephen Ward. All of these YouTube channels will be linked into the description, so if you'd like to check them out and subscribe, please feel free. I've gotten a lot out of all of these for inspiration. Next up here, we have Roberto Blake. Roberto Blake I've been following since I started graphic design. He has a wonderful channel on how to kind of get into the YouTuber scene, different ways to build your brand, how to get noticed. Very interesting person. And he has how-to, he has how to make money. He's got a ton of videos. He is a public speaker. He has his own podcast. He's done channel reviews. Down here you can see that he has more than one channel. But since I started graphic design, he's more on the business side of this. As you can see, creative entrepreneur. He's been featured in all of these. He has a YouTube starter kit. So he's got a lot of videos that deal with the business side of art and the business side of YouTube and how to make money, things of that nature. Very powerful channel here. You can get a lot of information out of him. And I've been watching him since, I think, 2013, something like that. So I've been watching him for years. Again, you're not going to see this red bar on a lot of them because I watch on a different channel that I have, but as you can see here, a ton of videos on how to make money and how to get started in YouTube and how to build your brand. That's a big one, is how to build your brand. So branding in business, basically. That's number 4. Finally, number 5, I have William Patterson. He's a graphic designer. He works on logos. He's a very good logo creator. He's done a lot of different videos on how-tos. He's done the infamous Fiverr videos where they hire different people from Fiverr and they want them to create a logo and then they compare. He does hand lettering. He does a lot of videos kind of like Roberto, where he gets into the business side of things. He'll talk about how much you should charge for a logo, things of that nature. He's a very, very good graphic designer, and as you can see here, he's got a ton of tutorials for Illustrator. This is where I get some of my information from. If I don't know something that I'm looking for, I can usually come to here and find what I'm looking for. So he's another very, very good YouTuber. I don't think he has as many subs as he deserves, but once again, all of these channels will be linked in the description. So today, again, I just wanted to go over my top 5 art YouTubers and what they do and how they go about producing content on their YouTube channels. So once again, all the links are in the description. This was a short one, but I wanted to give everybody a resource or resources to some art YouTubers and maybe some resources that you can use to move forward in your creativity and art journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to leave a like, please do. If you'd like to subscribe for more, please do. You can hit that notification bell for future video uploads. Once again, I appreciate you stopping by. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget, design your future, create your goals, produce the best you, and I'll talk to you in the next one. DCP, out.